welcome back to my channel, and today we will be unbagging Ipsy for the month of February, and I feel nothing shy of showered with love in terms of February subscriptions and bags. I have been super impressed with the samples that we've received, so let's just get into it. This month's bag is Dusty Rose Pink, which is really pretty with this lace on top, kind of sexy, kind of sophisticated, which I really like. Getting into the bag, there's this month's theme card. It's just Ipsy unzipped, and the back says being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. And then it says some other words that I'm not going to take the time to read. So, getting into the bag, the first thing that we're going to talk about is this lipstick from F.A.R.A.H Cosmetics, which is really exciting. I'm like on a mission to collect lipsticks. So, this one is Ipsy Unzipped for 30% off. You can use the code Ipsy30 on FARAHCosmetics.com. It's pretty cool. They put the promo code right on the lipstick tube. But you know what? I'm not sure if Ipsy Unzipped is like the color, but there's no shade listed. So this is what it looks like. It's super creamy. It is very hydrating actually. Like, I haven't applied it in a couple of hours and it really feels good. My lips don't feel dry, and that's important. So would I use this? Absolutely. Do I like it? I love it. On a 1 to 10, I'd rate it a 10. I really like how it brings out the color in my eyes because of the shade. I also like the formula, that it's creamy and that it doesn't dry out my lips, which is really important. It's really comfortable to wear. So I'm really excited to have gotten this lipstick, not to mention it's a really good size for a sample bag. So the next thing in the bag is also exciting. It is from It Cosmetics, and I'm hiding the top because it kind of looks messed up. I opened it. I wanted to try it. Okay, so it looks like this, and it's called Bye Bye Under Eye. Basically, it says that it is your 8 hours of sleep in a tube. I can vouch. Looks really good. I have really good full coverage from this concealer. The tube they provided is this big, which is actually really nice. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. And the reason being is because a little goes so far. You definitely want to blot this product in. You don't want to smudge it around because it is intended to be blot, not smudged. If you smudge, you're going to see smudge lines. If you blot, it's going to give you the coverage that you need. I had about 8 blemishes on my face. Let me know if you can tell where they were. Okay, I'll just tell you. I had a couple on my chin, a couple here, and like 4 on my forehead, but I feel like it did a really good job in terms of covering those blemishes and also brightening up under my eyes. I really like it. It was like really sticky, really thick, really tacky, almost like glue. And I wasn't happy with that at first until I used it and set it, and I was like, hey, this is full coverage. Like, it's not a lie. It says full coverage and it is full coverage. So do I like it? Yes. Would I buy it? Yes. Am I going to use the entire sample? I sure am. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this concealer. I would definitely buy this again, and I feel like it is exactly what it says. Bye Bye Under Eye. It can probably cover anything. I feel like even saying that it could cover a tattoo is possible. So I am really excited about that. The other item in this bag is this from Jersey Shore Cosmetics, and it's called Apple Harvest. Yes, Apple Harvest. Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm. It's just a chapstick, but I'm really excited to have gotten one because I was out. So I came up again, 1 to 10, 10 again. Super excited. It doesn't have a smell that puts me off whatsoever. It smells really good. Just a really mild apple scent. Doesn't have a taste that puts me off either. Actually, I don't notice a taste at all. I've been using it to prep my lips prior to applying any lipstick. I really like it. It's a really creamy hydrating balm. Imagine lotion for your lips. It's really nice. So I would buy it again, and I'm super happy that I got this in the bag because, like I said, I was out and I needed one. And the next thing I got in this bag, I don't know if you can see my highlighter, but I'm like super excited about this because I needed one so bad. Well, I needed like a bam, like I'm shiny highlighter, and that's what I feel like I got. So this is by Luna, and it's in the shade Electra. And this sample size is like really good. I mean, I don't know if you could tell, like this is good. And the shade is super creamy. Whenever I was applying it to my face, like there wasn't any fallout associated with putting it on my face. And it is so pigmented, so creamy. I didn't have to like do any work. I just like swiped the brush and it was like, whew, like shiny. I don't know. I would buy this again, but I'm not gonna have to buy it for a while because this is a really good size. 1 to 10, 11. I'm so excited to have gotten this in this Ipsy bag. It made the entire thing worth the $10 that you pay for the bag. I feel like I can't even explain how impressed I am with this subscription bag. I normally don't feel that way with Ipsy, so I'm so happy to have gotten samples that I'm like, dang, these aren't even samples. These are gonna get me somewhere. Like, I only paid $10 for this. Like, this is worth it. And the last thing in the bag is a brush from F.A.R.A.H brushes, and it's really pretty. It's purple. It is really soft bristled. The only downfall to this brush is that it's not really full. And for me, I like a fuller brush. This is a large angled contour brush, 30F from F.A.R.A.H brushes, and it says be beautiful, be you. Looks really pretty. And like I said, it is really soft, so it's really nice to add to your brush collection. It's definitely going to be good for contouring, but I wouldn't use it for much because, like I said, my brushes have to be really full and have some like stoutness to them, but the bristles need to be soft. So this is soft, but it's not necessarily full. So do I love it? No, but I'm still really excited to have gotten it in this bag, and this bag has been like nothing short of impressive, so I'm not complaining at all. I don't have too much else to say in regards to this bag, but that was it for the month of February. Like I said, I am so impressed. The bag is really cute. The items were really nice. The size was really nice. I only paid $10 for this. I got something that I would consider to be an almost full-size highlighter, an almost full-size, if not full-size lipstick. I got a full-size lip balm. I got a full-size brush. And then I got a sample size concealer, which is going to last me quite some time. So Ipsy did a really good job for the month of February. I do think that they're going to make people feel so good about themselves and so happy with the samples that they received in their bag this month. So that's it for Ipsy. If you liked this unbagging, please hit the bell, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and watch for me in the future. Otherwise, speaking of future, I do plan to collect some lipsticks because I do want to do a video only on lipsticks. Now there's a criteria. I want them to be under $8. So give me all of your recommendations down below under $8, okay? And tell me what color you want to see, what brand you want to see, what formula down below. I need to know so that I can start collecting these so that I can give you guys a full video review of all of these brands that you guys tell me I need to get and try for you. So I will do that. Otherwise, keep an eye out for my next unboxing, which should be Pinch Me. I don't know if you know what Pinch Me is, and if you don't, I will leave the details down below. It is actually just a sample service that is completely free. They never ask for your card. You essentially just try to beat anyone else to go pick out samples every month, and then they ship it to you in a little box. So I'm going to be receiving a box with some samples that I was lucky enough to get, and they are completely free to me. They were a little bit late in shipping out January's box, but it should be here any day. From what I understand, they have shipped. But like I said, free, which is great for people that are on a budget or that feel discouraged because they can't pay for these subscriptions, because Pinch Me is free. They do not ask for your card. So I will leave the details down below. It is a wide variety of samples, so you could get pet samples, you could get beauty products, you could get hair products, you could get makeup, just anything you can receive in this. Lifestyle items, household cleaning products, but still really fun and free. One more thing. Okay, so I do intend on doing the no mirror makeup challenge, which is going to make me look like a complete idiot. I'm one of those people that's like, I'm blind. I need to be like up close to my mirror, like up close and personal. Speaking of which, like my eyebrows are funky, so I shouldn't have done that. But I'm blind. I feel like I need to be up, like nose to the mirror to be able to put my face on. And so I'm definitely going to make myself look like an idiot. If you are interested in seeing something like that, please let me know down below as well. I do have some people telling me that I should do it, so I will probably produce that sometime this next week, so be watching out. Otherwise, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, please subscribe down below if you liked it, and I will see you next time.